Okay, so we're out this morning to check on the asparagus bed. It's been 16 days and we've been tending this along and along. I'm counting, I don't know, 13, 14 little asparaguses coming up. Let's take a look at them. Okay, so there's the first one that came up and the second right there. We got a weed here. Let's get this out of here. That doesn't need to be there. And the others are smaller. There's a couple little guys there. One there, one there. There's a real little one here, right here, and then another here. There. And like I said, they're mostly pretty small, but they're here, they're coming up. I'm very excited about my asparagus. First time I've ever tried to do asparagus. So that's my bed. Let's take a good look at that. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm going to sit up and go ahead and get some more compost in there. It's a mixture of humus and manure. I'm gonna gather around and pull some more dirt in around the this asparagus. Just get right in there. Start filling this bed in. They're really doing a lot better than I had even thought they would, but I'm happy. I'm very happy. And then later this evening, when it cools off some, I'll come back and water them. All right, so let's take one more look. Let's get a count. Got 1, 2. Got this dead zone right here that I'm hoping something will come up in. And here we got 3 right there. Little guy down here, so that's 4, 5, and 6. Got a double here, so we'll say 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And I didn't put any compost here, so I'm just gonna rob some compost from around these other ones. Put a little compost on this guy, so we don't want to rob him. Just get a little bit from these other guys, and there we go. And like I said, when it cools off a little bit this evening, I'll come back and I'll throw some water on here. So pretty happy with this so far. It's going to take a couple of years, of course, to get a crop, but I'm really happy with my asparagus bed so far. Okay, so awesome. We got 13 asparagus going, and it's only been 16 days. So we'll keep an eye on this as they grow. We'll fill this bed in more and more. We'll get it good and level, get everything mulched in. I'm using hay to mulch in right now, hoping to get a chip drop at some point, but with chip drop you don't really know when you're going to get that, so we'll see. That's the asparagus bed update for now. Give me a subscribe, and hit that bell notification, and we'll send you updates. We'll be posting updates for asparagus and other garden updates through 2026 as I do things wrong and figure out what that was and how to fix it. Thanks, guys.